Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, assistant teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Golam Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss some questions answer of chapter number 4. So, let's start. Students, this is your chapter number 4 and the name of the chapter is Sentence, Its Types. Students, in the class I have told you that sentence is divided into 4 kinds. Okay, first one is assertive or declarative sentence, second is interrogative sentence, third is imperative sentence, and fourth is exclamatory sentence. In the class I have told you about all these 4 kinds of sentence, but in this video lecture we are going to explain some questions related to these kinds. So let's start. First question is, what is a sentence? Students, I have told you a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Okay, a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. For example, I have 2 pens. She goes to school. Students, you can say I have 2 pens and she goes to school makes a complete sense. Keep it remember students, or sentence always start with a capital letter and ends with full stop and some other punctuation marks about which we will discuss in this video. Okay, so firstly, what is sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. So this is the definition of sentence. Now let's move to another question, which is question number 2. Question number 2 is, what is an assertive sentence? Students, I have told you first point is a sentence that makes a statement is called an assertive or declarative sentence. Students, assertive sentence is also known as declarative sentence. Okay, so first point is a sentence that makes a statement. Okay, that makes a statement is called an assertive or declarative sentence. Second option, it can be either positive or negative. Okay, keep it remember students, it can be, the statement can be, or assertive sentence or declarative sentence can be either positive or negative. Now the third point is, a declarative sentence ends with a full stop. Okay, so what are the 3 points of assertive sentence? First point is a sentence that makes a statement is called an assertive or declarative sentence. Second point, it can be either positive or negative. Third statement, a declarative sentence ends with a full stop. Now some examples are, the boy is tall and smart, we did not go to the party. Students, I have told you that assertive sentence can either be positive and or negative. So first example is positive statement and second example is related to negative statement. Okay, now come to the question number next. What is an interrogative sentence? So point number 1 is, a sentence that asks questions is called an interrogative sentence. Second point, an interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. For example, who is your best teacher? Students, you can see the statement, the interrogative sentence ends with question mark. This is called question mark, and all interrogative sentence ends with this question mark. So keep it remember students, what is interrogative sentence? A sentence that asks questions is called an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. Now come to the next. What is imperative sentence? So students, points are, point number 1 is a sentence that expresses an order. Second is makes a request, and third gives a advice. So these are called imperative sentences. So students, a sentence that expresses an order, makes a request, or gives an order, gives an advice is called an imperative sentence. For example, stand up, please give me a glass of water, be careful. So students, first is the example of order, second is example of request, third is example of advice. Now come to the question number next. What is exclamatory sentence? So points are, a sentence that expresses a strong feeling of happiness, sadness, or surprise is called an exclamatory sentence, and all these sentences end with an exclamation mark, and this is called exclamation mark. For example, how hot it is. Students, you can see, and the statement ends with exclamation mark. Oh no, I have lost my wallet. Students, you can see, oh no, after oh no there is exclamation mark. I hope you have understand all the kinds of sentences. So let's revise again. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. For example, I have 2 pens. Second example, she goes to school. Now the next question, what is an assertive sentence? Answer, point number 1, a sentence that makes a statement is called an assertive or declarative sentence. It can be either positive or negative. A declarative sentence ends with a full stop. For example, the boy is tall and smart. We did not go to the party. Now the next question, what is an interrogative sentence? A sentence that asks question is called an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. For example, who is your best teacher? Next question, what is imperative sentence? So question is, answer is a sentence that expresses an order or makes a request or gives an advice is called an imperative sentence. For example, stand up, please give me a glass of water, be careful. Now the last question, what is exclamatory sentence? A sentence that expresses a strong feeling of happiness, sadness, or surprise is called an exclamatory sentence. These sentences end with an exclamation mark. For example, how hot it is. Oh no, I have lost my wallet. So that's it for today, students. In the next video lecture, we will discuss some exercise of this chapter. Till then, you will write all these questions in your CW copy. Goodbye everyone.